Fischer DuoLine, the innovative combination for more power and more intelligence. All DuoLine products offer a wide range of advantages. They enable an outstanding performance in many different applications and rank among the top innovations in the field of plastic plugs. More benefits with the DuoXpand. With its clever design, it bites into any building material. The gentle expansion of the lamellas avoids fractures in porous building materials. This allows anchoring close to the edge. More function in any building material, for example, with the DuoSeal. It completely seals the drill hole in the wet area without additional silicone. Tested for water tightness in accordance with DIN 18534 and ETAG 022. The DuoLine offers more ease of installation, so the Duo blade with the standard bit holder is set without tool change. The self-drilling thread enables an easy and quick installation in plasterboard and gypsum fiberboards. The more component technology of the DuoLine ensures optimum functionality for the most diverse requirements. The Duotec, with its two-component toggle element and the flange sleeve made of glass fiber reinforced plastics, enables high tension and shear loads. More performance through the clever combination of materials and function. The Duo Power is a plug for numerous applications with top load values in various building materials. It expands in solid building materials, folds in hollow building materials, and knots in panel building materials. More colourful, 2 components, 2 colours. Visibly better, visibly Fischer. More benefits. The products of the DuoLine are versatile and the perfect choice for many different applications. Fischer DuoLine, the innovative combination for more power and more intelligence.